I don't know why some people are opposed to practicing yoga. Yoga is a science like any other science, and all yoga sutras are scientific in nature. Yoga sutras talk about the human body, the human mind, and of course, they also talk about the human soul. For time being, let us not think about the human soul. Let us think only about the human body and the human mind. And the people who oppose yoga are not the foreigners, are not the outsiders, but Indians, some Indians. This is the problem with India. There are people in India who oppose everything that is Indian, that is Bharatiya. And they laugh if you begin to talk about Indian knowledge system, they laugh at you. If you begin to talk about Indian civilization, they say it is all hopeless. If you begin to talk about Indian metaphysics, Indian spiritualism, uh, and they don't show any interest in it. And when you begin to talk about yoga and what happens to a man when he does asanas every day, they not only doubt what you do, what I do, they make fun of us. Let's not bother about the people who make fun of us, because a day will come when the whole world will make fun of them. Let me say something about yoga. The ultimate aim of yoga is to connect with God, is connect is to connect with the divine power, is to get liberation from the cycle of birth and death, etc., etc. But by doing asana, one can improve one's health, physical, mental, and psychological. If you want to, if you want to be very strong physically, mentally, psychologically, you should be doing yoga. I have started practicing yoga. I enjoy the fruits of yoga. It's not that only Hindus have to practice yoga. Anybody in the world, any person belonging to any religion, caste, community, any province, region, speaking any language can also very comfortably practice yoga. As I said, yoga helps you improve the health of your body, mind, and mind. Remember, the body, human body, is one and the same. Whether you are living in Asia, Africa, Russia, Europe, America, Australia, your body is not different. So the human body has its own religion. It doesn't belong to any one religion. We may have sanskaras. My sanskaras can be different from your sanskara. The sanskara of my body, the sanskara of my mind, the sanskara of my soul can be different from you, but basically, fundamentally, there is no difference between your body and my body. And yoga doesn't talk about only the Hindu body, it only talks about human body. And it tells us to fight with the deadly diseases that have attacked the humankind mankind in recent times. So, if yoga talks about the body, the body, the human body, okay, what is wrong in practicing yoga? You go to doctor, spend crores of rupees, consume medicine every day, take injection, and do what you want, what you are not supposed to do to improve your health. Why do you go to doctor? You get up early in the morning, 6 o'clock, spend only 300 rupees on a yoga mat. You spread the yoga mat on the floor and start doing yoga. In 1 hour, you can practice some 30 asanas. And each asana will improve, will definitely help, a particular body, part of your human body. For example, if you have BP, if you have sugar, if you have backache, if you suffer from joint pain, uh, pain in leg, migraine, for everything, we have asanas. So if I do 40 minutes yoga in the morning, I will get so much energy. I can work from 7 in the morning till 11 in the evening. I never get tired. I'm saying this to you out of my experience. So, yoga is universal because yoga helps human body maintain its health and also the mind. The mind is very important. The mind is more important than the human body. If you are mentally all right, you will be physically all right. Your physical health depends largely upon your mental health. Okay, the way you think, the way you imagine, the way you conceive. And yoga, if you practice certain yogas, especially pranayama and so on, you can improve your mental health. So, yoga, by practicing yoga, by doing some important asanas, we can develop our physical health, mental health, psychological health. And you don't have to spend money on it. Once you learn, it's like swimming. Once you learn swimming, you never forget. It's like swimming, it's like cycling, you don't forget. And once you learn yoga, some important asanas, yes, you can master your own body. You can control your body, your mind. It's possible. Your body doesn't listen to you, remember. And your mind will never listen to you. You will have to train your mind and your body. And if you do yoga, you get this strength. And you can sit for hours on the floor without feeling any pain in your leg or in your back. That's possible. You can bend your body like a rubber. Human body, I tell you, body becomes a rubber. And mind, yes, mind will listen to you. If your body listens to you, if your mind listens to you, remember you are the richest, finest, the greatest, and the most powerful man on the earth. You can do wonders. And you can do anything, everything that you want to do. So let us not listen to certain people talking ill of yoga and learn yoga, practice asanas, and become a millionaire.